If your Apple Silicon Mac is having problems, macOS Tahoe now includes a powerful new diagnostic and repair assistant that can quickly identify hardware and software issues. Here's how to use it step by step. First, make sure your Mac's power adapter is plugged in and that your Mac is connected to the internet. Next, shut down your Apple Silicon Mac, then press and hold the power button until you see the loading startup options screen. Once it appears, release the power button. You will now see your Macintosh hard disk and the options icon. Press and hold Command plus D until you hear the startup chime, then release the keys. The Apple logo and a progress bar will appear. After a few moments, the diagnostic and repair screen will load, allowing Apple to identify potential hardware and software issues on your Mac. Click Continue. Select your Wi-Fi network, click Continue. Click Agree. And then click Continue again to see the list of available diagnostic tools. For a quick hardware and software check, click Mac Resource Inspector and wait for the results. As you can see, my Mac shows no issues. To view more detailed explanations, click the I Information button. When finished, click Done. If necessary, use the other available tools and follow the on-screen instructions to further troubleshoot your Mac. Once you are finished, click Cancel and then click Restart. You can also restart by clicking the Apple logo and choosing Restart from the menu. If you're looking for free Mac apps to boost security and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.